We have some more breaking inputs coming in at this point in time. A reaction to this statement of the Prime Minister for Nitin Nabin when he called Nitin Nabin his boss. We have a reaction now coming in from the Congress Party. Congress Party's Pawan Khera has mocked the Prime Minister for this remark. In fact, let's go across to my colleague Niyamika, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Niyamika, what exactly has Pawan Khera said?
It is the statement which has been given by the chief spokesperson of the Congress Party, Mr. Pawan Khera, who has basically lashed out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi because he stated that the way in which this particular remark has been given by Prime Minister, he questioned that is it a game of Big Boss what Prime Minister is playing, because sometimes he say that Mohan Bhagwat is the boss, sometimes Narendra Modi himself becomes the boss, but now the latest remark which he has given, he is now saying that Nitin Nabin is the boss of every single minister there in BJP. As he's just a Karyakarta. We have seen that how the Congress Party has been continuously questioning this entire election process which was being done there in the BJP. Basically, the Congress Party saying that it was not an election, it was basically a selection which the BJP has done because earlier only it was being decided that Nitin Nabin is going to be the BJP national president. There was no other contender which had contested in front of him, and it was the decision which has basically been taken by the High Command, which the Congress Party is stating that there are just two people who are deciding every single thing within the party, and that is basically the Prime Minister and the Home Minister. That is the allegation which the Congress Party is making, and they are basically saying that there is no point of having any kind of election within the BJP, because it was earlier also being decided that who is going to be the national president, and that is what they have done in the last 2 days.
Right. Stay on with us, Niyamika. Let's once again listen into what exactly had the Prime Minister said.
लोगों को लगता होगा कि नरेंद्र मोदी देश के प्रधानमंत्री है, तीसरी बार प्रधानमंत्री बने, 50 साल की छोटी आयु में मुख्यमंत्री बन गए, 25 साल से लगातार हेड ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट रहे हैं। ये सब अपनी जगह पे हैं, लेकिन इन सबसे भी बड़ी चीज मेरे जीवन में है, मैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कार्यकर्ता हूं। ये सबसे बड़ा गर्व है। और जब बात पार्टी के विषयों को आती है, तब माननीय नितिन नबीन जी, मैं कार्यकर्ता हूं, वे मेरे बॉस हैं।
Joining us on the broadcast right now is Rashid Alvi of the Congress Party. Good afternoon, Mr. Alvi. Appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now. Your first reaction to the statement of the Prime Minister, wherein he said that even as he's the Prime Minister, he's just a Karyakarta of the party, and when it comes to Nitin Nabin, who has become the national president today, is going to be his boss.
Do you think so? Nobody believes. Prime Minister he speaks such things which are against the truth. This statement is such a statement, no citizen of the country can believe it. You know, when there is dictatorship in any country, it is only one person, he decides and he takes decision. It is Modi Sahab. He has decided that who will be the president of Bharatiya Janata Party. An unknown person, even BJP workers, they have no knowledge about this man who has become president of Bharatiya Janata Party.
But playing devil's advocate here, isn't it better if an unknown person, an ordinary Karyakarta, can actually become the president of the party? You are calling it unthinkable, but it's also in a way, going to be aspirational and will make many people, work harder, because they all have this, perhaps one day, a possibility of becoming the president of the party. Isn't it a good thing in that case?
You are right. Provided there is proper free election. There is no election. Modi Sahab has chosen. He has pointed out he will be the president. He becomes president. Nobody can raise finger at all inside Bharatiya Janata Party.
Okay.
Nobody can dare to file nomination papers against this man.
Okay.
You know it. We know it.
Okay.
I
All
do
right.
not under what pressure you support it.
No, I am not supporting it. I am just asking a question. Because it has already become a political controversy. So I'm just seeking your opinion on it. I am not supporting anything, neither what you are saying nor what the Prime Minister has said. It's a statement that he made. Pawan Kheda has reacted to it. We sought your reaction. We got it. Thank you very much, Mr. Rashid Alvi. Appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. We have with us Anurag Bhadoria of the Samajwadi Party as well. Good afternoon, Mr. Bhadoria. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. आप किस तरह से देखते हैं प्रधानमंत्री का जो आज बयान आया है, जिस तरह से उन्होंने नितिन नबीन जो पार्टी के प्रेसिडेंट बने हैं उन्हें कहा कि वो बॉस है पार्टी के और प्रधानमंत्री जो है वो एक कार्यकर्ता है?
देखिए, इस लोकतंत्र में, देश के लोकतंत्र में बिग बॉस तो जनता है। जनता से बड़ा कोई बॉस नहीं है। तो हमें सभी को जनता का सम्मान करना चाहिए और जनता के भले के लिए काम करना चाहिए कि जनता को किसी प्रकार की तकलीफ ना हो पाए, वो किसी गंदे पानी पीने से उनकी मौत ना हो पाए या हवा जहरीली ना हो पाए और नकली यहाँ पे कोल्ड सिरप पीने से भी उनकी मौतें ना हो। इसका ख्याल हम लोग को रखना चाहिए कि जनता परेशान ना हो, जनता को सुविधाएं मिले, उनको महंगाई से निजात मिलनी चाहिए, बेरोजगारी नहीं बढ़नी चाहिए। एक माँ को कम से कम वो सम्मान मिलना चाहिए कि उसका बेटा अपना नौकरी करता हुआ मिले। अगर हम ये कर पाएंगे तभी हम जो जनता हमारी बिग बॉस है हम उसका सम्मान कर पाएंगे। तो मुझे लगता है सबको जनता हमारी बिग बॉस है और जनता का सम्मान करना चाहिए।
All right, Mr. Anurag Bhadoria, appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. And viewers, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also spoke of urban Naxalism during his address from the BJP headquarters earlier today, and he called it a growing challenge. Prime Minister said that the scope of urban Naxalism is no longer limited to the country. It is now becoming international. He alleged that voices expressing even, positive views about the government or about him are humiliated and silenced. Listen in.
अर्बन नक्सल का दायरा इंटरनेशनल हो रहा है और यहाँ अर्बन नक्सल की बड़ी चतुराई होती है। ये यहाँ मीडिया वाले इतने बैठे हैं ना, अगर साल में एकाध बार भी अगर मोदी की किसी अच्छी चीज को उन्होंने ट्वीट कर दिया या टीवी पे बोल दिया या अखबार में लिख दिया तो उस पत्रकारी तो ऐसी फजेत कर देते, उसके पीछे ऐसे पड़ जाते हैं, उसको अछूत बना देते हैं, भविष्य में वो कभी बोल ना सके ऐसा कर देते हैं। ये अर्बन नक्सल की स्टाइल है। हमको भी सालों तक ऐसा अछूत बना के रख दिया पूरे देश में भाजपा को। अब देश समझ गया है अर्बन नक्सलों के कारनामे।
So Prime Minister Narendra Modi there also talking about urban Naxalism, how that is a big challenge. And apart from that, Prime Minister spoke about a number of other issues, for example, illegal immigrants as well. But whatever he said has also ignited, in fact, a war of words, because Congress party is also now raising questions, especially on the way he called Nitin Nabeen his boss. We just heard reactions, that have come from Pawan Kheda and also Rashid Alvi. You just heard on the broadcast. And on urban Naxals as well, Prime Minister Modi gave a big statement that how for the longest time, in fact, BJP as a party was made untouchable. It was ostracized, and urban Naxalism is no longer limited to the country. The scope of urban Naxalism, he said, is now expanding and it is going beyond borders as well. We're slipping into a very short break right now. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.